Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Jayyduty here. Now, today's video, I'm finna clean up this whole house. I'm about to strip this house. I'm finna clean up this whole house. Now, I'm not perfect. I got a whole household with 4 people living in it, extra 5 because my girlfriend and stuff like that. But she only be in my room. So, my nigga, it's not looking that good. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not looking that good, bruh. It's not looking that good, bruh. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm in a big ass crib and this is dirty. I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna go upstairs and I'm gonna clean out this whole house. And I'm about to tell y'all the importance of cleaning too. Look at this, y'all. I love cleaning. I just love cleaning. Me personally, I love cleaning. No cap. No. I mean, of course the workout room gonna be clean because I mean, I'll be in there, but I don't really use anything in there but equipment. So I don't eat in there. I don't do none of that showering or getting dressed in there. I don't do none of that in there. But this room right here, whoo. Y'all, it's a lot of clothes up there that I gotta fold, I gotta wash. Because the thing about my household, bro, when they come in here, they put all the clean clothes on the floor. Like, they don't even take their clothes out and hang it up in a room or just put it in a room. Bro, they literally just put it on the fucking floor. Like, I don't know, bro. Like, y'all comment down below if y'all household the same. But, yeah, I got to clean out this. I'm going to clean out this whole thing. It's about to take me hours, bro. The reason why I'm doing this so I can just have a clear mind again, bro. Because I'll be realizing, yo, the reason why I can't visualize my life deeply or how I want it is because, bro, my environment is fucked up. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, when I wake up, usually I used to visualize myself in a penthouse. Like, usually when I wake up, I used to think I'm in a penthouse. Like, I used to know that I'm in a penthouse. Like, before my eyes get, like, before I open my eyes, my nigga, I literally just think I'm in a penthouse. Like, it literally feels so good that I'm in a penthouse. But I woke up, my nigga, I didn't feel the same. I was like, yo, I can't unlock my visualization. Why not? Bro, look at my room. Like, nigga, if you want to think clear, you got to see clear. Like, nigga, look at the room. You get what I'm saying? Like, look at all of this, bro. Look at all this. Bro, your environment is a reflection of your mindset. So, my nigga, y'all can literally tell, yo, Jayyduty, bro, you got some type of bad habit. Like, you got some type of bad habit in here because you can't keep it clean. And I admit, nigga, I do got bad habits. All right, I ain't got a lot of bad habits, but nigga, in one area of my life, there's something bad, and I'm about to fix it right now. You get what I'm saying? So look at all this, y'all. Like, you could tell, like, yo, you don't get up and set your day in the morning. Like, you can tell, like, your intentions for your day is probably off. So, my nigga, when I wake up, nigga, I literally just go straight to YouTube and just make a YouTube video. See, that's my damn problem. Nigga, my dirty ass need to wake up, clean, you get what I'm saying, clean, and then go make a YouTube video so I can actually, you feel me, have a clear mindset. Because when I woke up, my nigga, I couldn't visualize myself in a penthouse. And I knew why. I love to visualize myself. I love to have myself visualize myself in, like, somewhere great. Like, bro, like, before I go to bed tonight, my nigga, I always do make up my bed. It's just when I first wake up in the morning, I'm just so clingy and I just put shit anywhere. But before I go to bed, I literally visualize myself that I'm in a penthouse right now and I'm literally counting money in my sleep. You get what I'm saying? So before I go to bed, I love cleaning and stuff like that. But when I wake up during the morning, everything is just always just off track. So yeah, my nigga, this is my second living room. I'm literally giving y'all a house tour, bro. That's crazy. My second living room right here. It's my brother room. I know, y'all. Bear with us, bro. Like, this is crazy. Look at I gotta wipe out all of these. This is my mama room right here. I'ma thoroughly clean my mama room because I really be in my mama room for real. I just really be in my mama room. This was all the magic happened, y'all. This is where all the magic happened. This is where all the magic happened. This the OG bathroom, y'all. Comment down, OG bathroom. OG bathroom. Y'all probably learned a lot in this bathroom, huh? But yeah, oh yeah, right here too. Right here. Gotta clean up that right there. Then I gotta clean up all of this. It's gonna take me some time, but I still gotta do it. You get what I'm saying? I gotta clean up all of this right here. House is just filthy, bruh. The reason why the house is filthy, because people mentality in this house is also filthy too. So each individual room that you go in, or I went in, my nigga, you could tell, yo, these niggas have a trifling mindset, including me. Nigga, I hold myself accountable. Nigga, when I first wake up, nigga, I start my day downstairs. That's why the downstairs is more clean, because I be procrastinating. Like, I'll literally go clean it downstairs and forget about the upstairs because I love where it's clean at. And I know I can only control this part of the environment because the upstairs is always filthy because everybody always up there. See, nobody downstairs. That's why the downstairs is always clean. You get what I'm saying? But my nigga, if you watching this video, dog, I'm finna shake this whole house, my nigga. I'm finna get the cleaning. I'm finna get the playing some Jacquees, Chris Brown. If you're a woman, you are, I don't even need to tell that to the women because y'all have it in y'all nature that cleaning is important. Like, y'all love cleaning naturally. You get what I'm saying? Like, you're not supposed to be working fucking 16 hours out the day. You're really supposed to be at home. And if you don't believe that, my nigga, look how you feel when you do clock in to work. You get what I'm saying? And for all my niggas, if your mama coming home and she always stressing, she always just on bullshit, bro, can you, like, understand, bro? Nigga, she's doing probably 10 or 8 hours, or probably even more. Nigga, she probably get home by goddamn 11 o'clock at night. And then she come home to a fucked up ass environment. How you think that's gonna make her feel? When she got a bunch of goddamn teenagers who just chilling, who ain't even doing anything, who just acceptance at this childish ass environment right here. Cause it's really childish. When you really filthy, that's really childish, dog. It really is, my nigga, because you on your game 24/7 and you don't even have self-awareness. You don't even think to yourself like, yo, bro, let me clean up, bro. God, like, let me clean up. Like, nigga, let me just, like, you feel me, clean up the bathroom. At least make sure the bathroom clean, because when company come over, the first thing they go to is the bathroom and that goddamn kitchen. So, my nigga, imagine if you had a girl coming over every single time. Like, nigga, would you want your girl to come over and she just looking at filth, bro? Like, she just looking at some shit that you should have cleaned, my nigga? Like, would you want that to be, like, would you want that to happen to you? But you probably trifling, you don't care. You get what I'm saying? So, my nigga, we need you to care a little bit more about your environment so you can just think clear and feel clear, because your environment is a reflection of your mental health, my nigga. So, my nigga, if I walk up in your crib, or matter of fact, my nigga, because my environment dirty right now. If you walk up in my crib knowing Jayyduty, my nigga, you will look at me like, yo, Jayyduty, bro, what the fuck going on with your crib, bro? Why your crib just like, what's going on, my nigga? You would go in my room and be like, oh yeah, you know this nigga have some type of bad habit. You know this nigga is just like, you would know that. I mean, I ain't gonna say I'm trifling, but my nigga, I do have a bad habit of not cleaning on time. You get what I'm saying? Because when I wake up in the morning, my nigga, I literally just go start my day downstairs. Like, I really don't even be upstairs in my room. Like, nigga, I literally just put shit anywhere and then go downstairs. See, that's my damn problem, because I need to keep my shit clear. You get what I'm saying? Because if my environment clean, that mean my mindset is clear. That mean I can think. That mean I can feel good. You get what I'm saying? Because, my nigga, half the time, the reason why your mama be stressing is because look at her house, nigga. Like, look at her house. Bro, she damn near live at work damn near, my nigga. So when she go to work all day and then come home and the first thing she see is shit not done, nigga, you would be stressed too. Nigga, that's gonna hurt her mentally, spiritually. That hurt women when their house is not clean. That spiritually hurt a woman. You know, when a woman clean, cook, and do what she's supposed to do to keep her environment clean, that is in their nature. When that shit is not done, nigga, they are acting out of their nature. They tapping into the masculine side. Women don't want to tap in with their masculinity. Like, they have to, but they don't want to. You get what I'm saying? Women want to be feminine, walk around this bitch booty butt naked, knowing, nigga, she control all of this shit. But not you individually, but she control her environment. She know how to keep shit clean. She know how to keep shit organized. A woman is naturally organized. See, us men, we just naturally don't give a fuck, bro. Like, we just don't care. You see, you need to tap into your femininity and keep shit clean. You get what I'm saying? Because once you keep shit clean, I promise you, you can visualize yourself anywhere. If you're a person that want to attract success, like you probably want to be successful, you probably want to buy your mama a crib, you probably want to get out your mama crib. How you expect God to give you a crib if you're not even taking care of the crib you have now? Like you want God to bless you with all these materialistic things, but you're not even keeping up with what God already had for you. You know exactly what it is. You're too comfortable. Like, once you're too comfortable, you don't care about your environment. You don't care about keeping it sacred. You don't care about keeping it safe. You don't care about keeping it clean. You just care about that damn game. You get what I'm saying? Like, at least be productive to a point, nigga, you can't clean. Like me, Jayyduty, nigga, I'm so productive, nigga, I can't keep up with everything. Nigga, you sit in the same spot all day. Like, nigga, I'm literally just in my room making videos 24/7. Nigga, I'm goddamn downstairs taking care of myself 24/7, cooking, cleaning, doing what I gotta do. Nigga, you on the game all day. What is the excuse that you have? Why can't you just look around and clean, nigga? Come on, my nigga, like, come on, like, nigga, I know I be procrastinating, but you don't even think about doing this shit. Like, nigga, you just in your room just trifling with it, nigga. Like, even when I be in my room, dog, I'm at least make up my bed. I probably ain't gonna, you feel me, vacuum the floor. I'll probably put all that shit under my bed and procrastinate on that shit and do it later. But, nigga, I'm at least make up my bed. You get what I'm saying? Like, nigga, if I see the dishes effed up, nigga, I'm at least goddamn clean the kitchen. You get what I'm saying? Like, nigga, I'm not about to just sit there and trife. You get what I'm saying? And then, my nigga, when you, like, go in your bathroom, nah, my nigga. See, it's a limit to the shit. You get what I'm saying? Like, nigga, I'm not saying be perfect with it, always clean every single day, but every Sunday, nigga, you better look at your environment and get to cleaning, dog. Well, it was Monday right now. I ain't do it yesterday because I had things to do. But, my nigga, especially if you unemployed, nigga, I already told y'all niggas what to do if you unemployed. Nigga, fix up your environment, nigga. Look around. Look around, nigga. Clean, nigga. And then after you get done cleaning, my nigga, I promise you it feels so much better. I promise you on everything I love. Nigga, when I get done cleaning this motherfucker, bro, I'll literally be sitting down, meditating, visualizing myself in a better environment. Nigga, I'm trying to tell you, your environment is the reflection of your mental health. How your environment is, you could tell how a motherfucking mindset is, okay? So, my nigga, if you always stressing, if you always thinking negative, probably because what your soul sees on a regular basis, my nigga. You get what I'm saying? Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm finna go clean, and then I'm finna show y'all the after results. And I'm out. Peace. Hey, YouTube, it's Jayyduty here. Now, I just got done cleaning. It took me like 2 hours to clean this joint, bro, because I did everything. I ain't gonna lie. From the refrigerator, from the kitchen, scrubbing this mug. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all the results I have spiritually when I got done cleaning. Trying to tell you, bro. Cleaning is like good for you. Everybody should be doing that. Hey. Also clean my room too. Hey. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? It's my mom's room. After 30, clean the bathroom. I ain't gonna perk to you. The bathroom is so important because when I do my videos, I gotta clean the bathroom, bro. What's going on, YouTube? It's Jayyduty here. Now, let me tell you how cleaning improve your attraction and improve all areas of your life, okay? Because when you start cleaning, you start to tap into your femininity, okay? Bro, I was just cleaning for like an hour, right? And I noticed, my nigga, I start visualizing clear. Like, bro, y'all think I'm bullshitting, my nigga. Go clean, my nigga, and see how your thoughts is, my nigga. Like, see what you thinking, my nigga. Like, you can literally watch your thoughts. And the more you keep watching your thoughts, the more you're going to keep controlling your thoughts, okay? So, my nigga, you got to understand. You probably like, well, Jayyduty, why do I need to control my thoughts? Because Nigga, your thoughts create your reality. You create your reality through your head, nigga, because imagination is creation, okay? Like I said in the beginning of the video, nigga, your environment is a reflection of your mental health, okay? So, my nigga, you gotta understand, my nigga, if you think trifling, guess what? Nigga, your environment gonna be trifling. But the more you keep cleaning, the more you keep practicing self-love, because that has everything to do with self-love. Now, females, okay? I'm gonna tell you this right off the bat, right? You can use entrepreneur and use your environment to be successful. Like, you love cleaning, right? How about you just record yourself cleaning and you talking over yourself cleaning? You get what I'm saying? Like, you know, the voiceover, nigga, you can just set up your goddamn camera and you talking over yourself while you clean. You get what I'm saying? And another thing too, say if you love doing hair, you could just clean your environment, make sure that shit's spotless. You know what I'm saying? Have clients come over, record them, or record yourself doing their hair, and then post it on TikTok and all other social media platforms. You get what I'm saying? But it starts with cleaning, dog. Like, you gotta start cleaning like that ass. That's literally the first step to change your life. Is start cleaning like that ass. Like, nigga, see an area in your house and then just clean that motherfucker and visualize yourself in a better environment. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna let y'all know right now, the reason why I'm attractive, because I tapped into my femininity. When I clean, I listen to a playlist, which is attractive music, and I just visualize myself being sexy with veneers, and I'm in a penthouse, and I just make $10,000 a month. You get what I'm saying? Like, I visualize myself already at the top, already my best version. You get what I'm saying? Because once you start to clean, bro, you will start to realize, yo, bro, my vibration seems more clear. Bro, I can finally think. Like, usually, my nigga, my thoughts are just all over the place. I can't control them. It's like it's on autopilot. Now, I can finally think. You know why? Because now, you just manifested a clear environment. So since you manifested a clear environment, which is cleaning up your environment, guess what? Your thoughts gonna be clear. You setting a positive attention. And you're not gonna feel all moody and shit. You get what I'm saying? Your mama, she ain't gonna feel all moody and shit. Because the reason why you just wake up and you feel all moody is because of your environment. I'm trying to tell you, your environment reflect back to your mental health. So as long as your goddamn environment clean, my nigga, you basically have control over your environment. You can manifest anything you want, like that ass. Like, it's your environment, okay? Like, everything is energy, okay? Your environment energy, your thoughts is energy, how you feel is energy, and that all has everything to do with your environment and how you control your space. Bro, if you a filthy ass nigga, you gonna live a filthy ass environment. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.